welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. In this video, I'm sharing the 4 ways I make money on this new platform called Skool. And out of those 4, I think 2 of them you could start making money to starting even today if that's what you want. My job here is to share what I learned, continue to learn, and I'm here with this one. If you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Sherifa Nakalema. I'm in Virginia, USA. I'm recording this like at 10 p.m. I work anytime I choose and from anywhere I choose because it's online. I used to clean homes here in Virginia, USA, but now I'm glad to say I can work from anywhere I choose. And I wish this for you. And also not just working, but doing something you love and making passive money and all this. So this Skool platform is making this possible, and it's international. So I'm sharing 4 ways that I make money online. The first one is I have communities where I ask for subscription. Right now, I have 3 communities. In 2 of them, those are paid communities. In one of them is free. Number 2, the other way that I make money is through promoting Skool, the platform. And Skool, when you bring people to the Skool platform, they create communities, you earn 40% commission. Number 3, I teach people, beginners, TikTok and YouTube. So they pay for one-on-one sessions. And number 4 is relatively new. And that's the reason I'm actually recording this video, because I feel like this is the easiest way all of you could make money starting today, because I introduce tutorials. I teach Skool. I see people coming on the platform, but they are struggling to do something as simple as canceling a subscription, something as simple as deleting a Skool community. Yeah, so I recorded tutorials. And these tutorials, although I share some of them right here on YouTube, but there are some that are exclusively in my community. It's a free community. So what you do, you come and join my free community, and then these tutorials are in the classroom. I'm about to show you, so you see what I mean. So all you have to do is come and join the community. It's free. And then while you're inside there, you invite other people. So for every person you invite, if they buy something from my community, it could be those tutorials or maybe TikTok or YouTube support, whatever they pay me, you earn 40% commission. Whether I choose how much to pay, I chose 40%. And the way it works, once you invite someone, it records that you invited that person. And then if this person pays, for example, if they came to my community and paid $100, $60 will come to me, 5% will come to you. The system splits it, and all you have to do is add a bank account for the money to be sent to you. Easy. I've been on affiliate market. I've never seen money moving so fast. Like, let me share just one number. We are not really allowed to share these numbers, but I'll share one number that they make public because I competed in Skool games. So they will show how much you're making. Now, I so far made that number by just inviting people to the platform. But remember I said there are 3 other ways. Okay, now, because they record the money separately but right now, but maybe later they'll put it together. So let me show you what I mean by tutorials. So I didn't invite you to come teach TikTok or YouTube because I do that. I didn't also invite you to come start a community and ask for subscription because that will say, oh, if they don't pay me. So I'm skipping those 2. But I'm inviting you, if you want, to come and promote Skool. Because anyone who has a WhatsApp group or a Facebook group, you could invite them to come on this platform and create a community. So at least some people who have that, they're going to love it. Because they don't have to do other things. Everything, even the money, is collected in this inside and it's sent straight to their bank account. So I'm going to right now show you the other way. The other way that you make money is the subscription. Paying. The other way you make money is when you invite people especially who have just started communities, and there are so many. We have almost 200,000 people with communities inside, and they don't know what to do. They came through this promotion that Alex Somoza did, and he brought 100,000 people in just like 2-3 days. 100,000 new communities. Those are businesses. So people are in there, they don't know what to do. So when you connect with those people, you tell them about my tutorials, then it's very easy to connect with people. You connect through comments. They come and buy, then you earn the commissions. So right now, let me show you what I mean by those tutorials that I'm so excited to introduce to you, because the people will be so happy that you show them something that's going to make life easy for them. Instead of going researching, how do you do this, how do you do that, I put it all together for them. I think then it's win-win. Okay? Win, win, win. 3 people are winning. I'm winning, you are winning, they are winning. Is that good? That's the kind of work that's kind of money that you eat happily. Okay? So let me show you inside my community so you can see these tutorials that I'm talking about. Okay, see, we are here, and this is my free community. In fact, I decided to put this image right here so I can show you the 4 ways I make money on Skool. Community subscription, Skool commissions, selling Skool tutorials, and teaching TikTok and YouTube. So this is on the outside. So when you come, like actually I have a link below. If you click on it, it will bring you right here. This community is free. It's free, but I'm considering putting some money on it. But for now, it's free. So if you come later, you watch this video and you find there's some money, you know that decided to, for people to take it seriously, I may put some money on it, but it's still free for a while. Okay, so when you come to the community, it has this classroom called Classroom. So Classroom is where you put things. You could say some are free, some are for sale. Like these are free. Like here I share the importance of a gratitude journal, keeping a gratitude journal, all that. And this is this where you promote my stuff. But I want to show you this. It's more clear. So see how to start a community, how to add a price to your community, how to create the community about page. It's called the about page. It's like a home page for a website. Okay, how to add community categories, how to create your first community post, all these. Now, if you came to promote them, you may find someone that created some of this already. So they can pick and say, okay, I only want this one, or I only want that one. But if you find someone who's just starting out, they don't have anything set up, then you give them this one. This one, all of them 5 are here. The single 5s are all in this one. Yes. So if someone pays for this, but I'm not talking about prices. When you come yourself, you click on it, it shows you the prices. Not much money. Okay, so that's the level 1. So I call them level 1 because when you first start a community, you really at level 1. You don't have anything. So 5 steps. And then I created a new category where we have the second level. I'm going to read them. I'm still setting this up. By the time you watch see these, I'm still adding them. 2 are not up here yet. I'm about to put them. But I want to show you the total or how many they are. There are 5 in the second category. And one of them is how to add a calendar, a Zoom event, how to schedule this Zoom event. You see that you're invited on Zoom, but there's a process to set it up. And then how to limit who is chatting or posting in your community. People tend to abuse this privilege, so you could limit them. How you do that. Then how to add social media links to your profile on Skool. Some people forget to put their social media on there. How do you do that? Then how do you add external links? Like if you have like a website or some other thing, how do you add it in your community? Then also how to add affiliate commission, because Skool allows, like I said, that I'm paying you 40%. Yes, how you set it up, I'll show you how you do that. So these are the tutorials. So I'll invite you to please come and promote them. All you need to do, I'm inviting you for free, get inside, and then if you invite another person, there is just an invite button. I could show you what an invite button looks like. Like if you go to a community, when you are in my community, you see that if you're on the phone, it has like 3 dots where you invite people, or you could just come see this. Because now I didn't go to my community because I see it differently because it's mine, but I went to another one. I belong to see this invite. You tap on it like this and have this button. And that's what you share. when people come, it will show that your name will have invited them. So if you're watching this and you're not on Skool right now, just know that to join Skool, you have to start with creating an account. To join my community, you have to start with creating an account on Skool, the platform. It's like if you want to join a Facebook group, and you have to join Skool, the platform first. Facebook, the platform first, before you could join the Facebook group. So the same thing. You're going to create an account first, and then you come over here. It's free. And when you come over here, this is the inside. The community is like this. For example, I say new members, introduce yourself. You come right here and introduce yourself as comments like this. They just add comments on posts. That's how you introduce yourself. I'm so and so, I'm so and so, like that. And then the other thing that's gonna happen after you come right there, check this classroom. You see. So after you introduce yourself, and then you come right here, you can pick any. But the best thing would be to connect with me first. That's what I say. Send me a message so that I put you on Zoom and I explain this better so you don't make a mistake. I've encountered many people making mistakes, which is not cool. Okay, so that's my video. It wasn't planned that much. I just wanted to come on here and let you know that you can now, starting from today, when you are watching this video, you could start making money because it's so easy. People buy from the platform. They just get out the card already. If you are selling to people who are already paying Skool because they own communities, then their card is already on file. They just click a button and buy. The easiest money you're going to make. Okay, it took me a while to record these audio, all these, but you're going to be able to make money really, really fast. And then I'll teach you all the other ways. I'll share everything I do if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching this. And I didn't talk much about Skool and the platform. It's owned by Sam Ovens. Actually, yes, Sam Ovens is the CEO, and then Alex Somozi, co-owner, and they're working together to create this beautiful. It's so beautiful. If you are on it, you'll understand. Now you can even go live. You can do so many things on this platform. Yeah. I'll say I don't want to add too much. Please come and participate in this. There's no obligation. If you come to my community, you can leave anytime. If you start a community, you can stop anytime. It's all up to you. But let's use this opportunity while we can, please, please. Especially if you're in like a developing country, especially if you are struggling, especially if you are a female looking to work from home, even males too. And for some reason, this platform has more males. I don't know why. But I'm not gonna show this for this video. You can watch my other videos. I'll put a video right next here. Go watch when I was explaining the recent video, the 5 ways they pay you if you start a community. I mean, you collect money different ways. I explained in the video that you could watch next. I'll put it here, watch next. But then also don't forget to go to my community because I want to show you how to make money starting today, if that's your choice. Like I always end these videos, I say take very good care of yourself, take very good care of your families, take very good care of your health, because without health, you have nothing. You can't do anything, okay? So do that, please. Take a step to a better you. Check the description, pinned comment. Also watch this next video if you want a little bit more about Skool and how it works. Or watch my other videos when I've been talking about Skool. I've been recording a lot of videos about this, okay? See you in the inside there somewhere. Yeah, you remind me that when you come, tell me how you got there. That I watched that video, that's how I came on here, okay? Over there, you see me more. I go live more, yeah. I want your life to be better. You know, when you have some money, you feel a little bit better, even when you're sick. Okay, bye-bye. Take a step to better you.